Ay, focus! Nalabas na ako ngayon, nasasakyan ako ngayon ng parents ko. Hindi ako magawa ng videos dun sa loob. So, nandito ako ngayon. I decided nandito na ako gawa ng videos sa loob ng sasakyan, you know? Do my whip shit, you know? Kahit hindi ako mayari dito, but, you know, trying to act like I own this shit, you know? So, gagawin natin sa video to. I don't wanna just upload music or no, vlogs na boring, diba? Like, every fucking day, nag-upload ako ng vlogs na di rin ako nagsasalita. So, what we're gonna do in this video is, I'm gonna let you guys listen sa mga bagong gawa kong beats at sa mga, sa mga bagong kanta kong gagawin, you know? I'm gonna let you guys listen. Hope you guys like it, you know what I mean? But before we start into the video, like, share, subscribe. I know you guys been supporting me sa last video ko and hope you guys do the same in this one. So, like, share, subscribe, man. And then, yeah. Let's go to the video, man. So, mga beats na akong gawa, most of these beats are sent out na sa mga rappers na kilala ko. So, ito yung mga beats na newly made ko this past weeks and past months. Most of this is trap at saka sample type beats. So, sana magustuhan nyo. How do you volume this shit, bro? First of all, kasi yung nandito sa sakin na mag-isa, you know? So yeah, here's the beat. Easy lang siya, simple, you know. Guess, kilala niyo yung rapper na sinend ko to sa rapper na kilala niyo na. So, comment down below if you trying to guess, bro. Comment na kayo. Kilala niyo na. Kasama ko siya sa vlogs palagi. Palagi ba? Nakasama ko na siya sa vlogs. Damn, bro. So yeah, loop lang siya. Pagkatapos nun, loop lang siya. Niloloop ko lang kasi simple lang kasi mga beats ko nga, diba? Pagkatapos ng hook, pagkatapos ng first verse, parang pre-chorus and then hook ulit. So simple lang, niloloop ko lang. Tapos minsan pag sa second verse, iniiba ko lang yung mga percussions dun sa second verse and then loop ulit yung chorus or hook. So, second beat na gawa ko, sample type beat ulit, but this one bangs, bro. Promise you, bro. Parang I would say yung sample is from 80s, 90s, tapos sinample ko siya. Galing YouTube lang. Pe-play ko mamaya yung mga beats na gagawin ko ng kanta. So, hope you guys are excited with that, you know? Yung hi-hats talaga yung dito, man. Yeah. I would say, hindi ko pa nasend ko to sa nasend ko tong beat na to sa American rapper dito na kaibigan ko, but I don't know if what he's gonna do with this beat, but sinend ko to. I don't know if I'm gonna post this siguro sa sa isang second channel ko, yung Xaje FM. If di nyo pala alam yung Xaje FM, doon ko na-upload yung mga beats kong ginagawa every week. So, Monday to Friday yung schedule ko. So, 7 PM Filipino time. May bago kayong beat Monday to Friday. So, pag rapper kayo, check niyo yung channel na yon. And let me know if magusto ko yung beat. Send niyo yung sample ng kanta niyo na gamit yung beat ko. And then if maganda yung verse niyo or maganda sa tingin ko, we're gonna make an official collab, you know? Cause you know, support lokal, na I mean. Pero hindi nga free. Pag maganda talaga yung final pag maganda yung final thing na ginawa natin, pag maganda talaga at may chance, I'm gonna do it for free, you know, yung beat. But those beats right there, I'm gonna say it's free kasi free for non-profit lang siya. So you can use it pag gusto niyo mag-upload ng mga, pag for example freestyle lang, ganun. Tapos hindi kayo kukuha ng pera galing sa YouTube, pwede nyo gamitin yan, no? If nagbo-vlog din kayo, tapos kailangan nyo ng music, pwede nyo gamitin yung mga beats nandun. So yeah, gang. Collab, tong beat na to, check na yung bagong kanta ng nila ni Mawid gamit tong beat na to, man. Sample type beat din to, pero medyo trappy-ish, kung fu type beat. Tanga na, paparinig ko na lang sa'yo kasi hirap i-explain kasi parang hype siya na beat, pero tawag dito, parang kung fu type beat talaga, man. Like may mga vocals na nasa beat na parang parang ganun. So paparinig ko na lang sa inyo. Like ang ganda, man, promise ang ganda. So check niyo yung kantang yon na gamit ng beat na to, okay? Woo! Pagtapos ng bar na to, may isa pang hype up shit. Pakinggan nyo. So check niyo yung kanta niyo, man, gamit tong beat na to, man. Ang stig, gago. Ang astig, man. So check niyo yung kanta yun. Like I said, check niyo yun. May nag-drop. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Yung grupo ni Mawid kasi nag-drop sila ng kanta in 2 weeks. Nag-drop sila ng 4 o 5 kanta ata. Tapos dalawang kantang yon beats from me. So check niyo yun, man. Like supportahan niyo yung grupo na yun. Nakalimutan ko ang grupo nila, sorry Mawid, pero yeah, check niyo yung grupo nila. Comment na, Mawid, comment na yung mga kanta sa comment section, okay? So I'm just gonna play those 3 kasi yung iba kasi mga official collab na talaga, like mga Nick Makino and all that. So what I'm gonna play right now is yung kantang i-drop ko this month na Bisaya song siya, sa mga natawagan ko nga sa mga yung natawagan ko, like yung sa mga fans ko natawagan like 3 weeks ago. Alam nila tong kantang to, pero sa mga baguhan dito at saka yung mga hindi natawagan, so malalaman nyo na ito yung kantang to. I mean, if you know what I mean, bro, guess nyo. Bisaya song siya, okay? It's gonna be some emo shit, but you know. If this is not final, I think. Kawang kalamay sa kinabuhi kong pahita, cute na babae, sobrang sweet. Grabe ka lahiya, grabe ka lahiya, grabe ka lahiya. Kawang kalamay sa kinabuhi kong pahita, cute na babae, sobrang sweet. Grabe ka lahiya, grabe ka lahiya, grabe ka lahiya. Ikaw akong guide sa akong dreams, yeah. So far out, guide ka sa akong reach, yeah. We are here now, this is so lit. Dreams do come true, yeah. That's how it be. Kaong kalami sa kinabuhi kong pahita, cute na babae, sobra kay ka-sweet. Grabe ka lahi, yeah. Grabe ka lahi, grabe ka lahi, yeah. Kakalamin sa kinabuhi kong pahit. Cute na babae, sobra kaka-sweet. Grabe ka lahi, ay grabe ka lahi. Grabe ka lahi, yeah. Short song lang siya, man, pang hype but sad shit, you know? So pag Bisaya ka, man, supportan niyo yung kantang to. I know you guys been supporting me, but this song, bro, this has a special fucking place in my heart. Know what I mean? Yung kantang to talaga sinulat ko na like 2 months ago, and like some shit was happening in my life. But you know, you can feel it pag pinapakinggan nyo talaga yung lyrics. I know most of you guys don't understand that shit, but sa mga Bisaya fans ko dyan, hopefully you guys feel what I felt. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? But yeah, next one I'm gonna play is yung mga unreleased kong kanta. Ito yung beat lang beat lang siguro pe-play ko kasi hindi pa final yung mga lyrics and all that. Pero ito yung isa, hype shit din, Bisaya. You know? Yeah. Malad the baby, little baby, or I would say Ghana, if Ghana would fucking jump with this shit. Yeah. But yeah, this is my song, bro. Yeah. Never think this ain't no pen. So yeah, that's the beat. Another one is this one. Marami ito nang nasulat this past weeks, bro. I think marami akong ideas na nasulat, or like na, you know, like I came up with a lot of ideas pero hindi pa nasulat yung mga buong lyrics, pero may verse na siya tsaka chorus, kasi chorus talaga, I think I'm good with chorus kasi pabalik-balik yung chorus ko, tsaka yung mga melodies kasi easy lang siya gawin para sa akin, mga melodies. Pero yeah, ito yung isa sa mga kantang katapusin ko pa. wait lang. I'ma play this. Rust type vibes, bro. You know, English pa rin to, pero I need to record this, bro. Cause you know, I'll be feeling this right now. You got no idea what I've been through. Stop for the shit, cause you got no idea what I've been through. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the verse right now. Hey, paparinig ko sa yung verse sa kantang to, okay? Nasulat ko na, final na to. Yeah, fake bitches, but this is just the surface. I be looking down, don't care who ever noticed my moves. Yeah, making beats is more than a hustle. I catch moments in a capsule. Views don't matter, I only care about people. Damn people, so jaded at things. Damn people, so addicted with things. Yeah, you cool now, you gotta blink. You want people not to blink. Chillin' in my crib, just smoke, no drink. One day we'll be whipping in the Benz, but right now we're smoking that dank. Goddamn, man. What I've been through. Got no clue. Got no idea what I've been through. Hey, yeah. Got no idea what I've been through. Got no idea what I've been through. Yeah. May second verse pa siya, pero it's done. I'm not gonna do it though. Pause, bro. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it right now, man. Ito lang muna yung gagawin kong video kasi kaya nga wala akong masyadong magawa talaga sa loob. Comment pa rin kayo down below if I know may nagko-comment din sa last videos about sa mga quarantining stories na gagawin ko, mga topics. Pero pag may idea pa kayong iba, comment down below. I was trying to find that shit, yung post ko sa Facebook, kasi marami talaga nag-comment doon. Like around 20 ideas ata nandun. Pero yeah, I'm trying to scroll up para makita ko ulit yung post na yon. And then baka next video I'ma do it na, kasi Friday bukas, and then I got time after that. So yeah, after this video probably quarantine stories na, okay?